So we know the coil generates the sparks, and the sparks can be stopped by this cable connected to the kill switch over here. The kill switch. This is the kill switch. So if kill switch released, it will ground this cable. So this cable will be grounded. No spark will be produced. And also this is another switch, also on the same cable. So this switch is a stop switch. So when you put the control to the stop position, here is the handle. So we have start position, fast position, slow position. We have stop position. When you put the handle to the stop position, and the switch, this switch will connect the cable to the ground so that no spark will be produced. The engine will stop. So this is the engine stop switch, and this is the kill switch. So both switch will control by the coil can generate spark. So the same cable, two switches.